In this video, I'm about to show you how to use the Inspiration tab in YouTube Studio. First, open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Once you're on the home page, click on the YouTube Studio, which is typically located in the left corner of the screen. In YouTube Studio, look for the Analytics option in the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the Analytics dashboard where you can track your channel's performance. Now click on the Inspiration tab within the Analytics sections. Here, you'll find a variety of ideas and suggestions to help you get started with your content creation. You can browse through these suggestions and click on any of them that catch your interest. If you like a particular idea, click on the heart icon next to it to save it as a favorite for later reference. In the search bar at the top of the Inspiration section, you can type keyword or phrases related to the topic you want to explore. For example, if you're interested in a specific niche, enter the terms to find tailored suggestions. Once you find an idea that you like, click on Create Outline to start planning your content. You can also type in a specific topic, like Final Cut for beginners, in a search bar to generate ideas related to that object. After entering your topic, click on Create Outline to generate a structured outline that can guide you in developing your video content. This will help you organize your thought and ensure that you cover all relevant points in your video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.